Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about how to install dynamic island in your Poco smartphone. So let's start the video friends. Firstly, you have to open your Play Store. You can click on search or anything. You can see here, I will show you. So firstly, open your Chrome. And then friends, here you have to write dynamic island. And as you can see friends, there are lots of things are here. As you can see, you can download dynamic island from the Play Store applications and install them. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.